Hi guys, looking for a bigger home with some acreage, over 2,000 square feet, a large garage, but you don't want to pay much? This is it. Only $230,000. You hear me right? $230,000. It's because the house needs some TLC. It's close to the base in Pax River between Gate 2 and Gate 3 in Southampton. And this house has almost 1 acre, a deck. Well, let's take a look inside. With new carpet, some paint, it will be perfect. Nice for you to move in or just for investment.